In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your debit or credit card to an Apple Pay wallet on your MacBook or macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to scroll down and select where it says Wallet and Apple Pay. On the right side, underneath Payment Cards, Debit or Credit Card, select Add Card, and then you go about adding into your card. Again, you would have to be signed in or linked up to your Apple account first, and then you can add your card, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.